Sawadee Krap. Happy New Year to you all. Festivities continue. Half the population are drunk and half are still working. There you go. Like him. New Year Day over here is New Year's Day. It's quite good. In fact, the whole of the New Year period, it's like Christmas. They all come together, everyone goes back to their villages. So you see big families, presumably making noise or doing things together like this family. Or making a noise together and getting drunk like the last one. And once again I'm on the outskirts of Bangkok, in Samut Prakan, near Ikea, Bangna. Off to the usual coffee shop. This is one of the klongs that was built some time ago. Canal. And what a superb cycle track they've got here. I hope you can hear me with the wind. I'm not going to do a voiceover. Bike. Not a lot to see today to show you all. Oh, maybe an accident. No, we survived that one. Banana trees, by the way. Nice, look at this, look. Hey, lovely. Oh, he's giving way to me, that's nice. Krap Krap. Krap Krap, that means thank you very much for a man. If you're a woman, you say Krap Krap. Right, we come out here on the edge of the suburbs, really. Oh, that's a nice bike. Look at that lovely bike. Look at that beautiful cub. Beautiful bike. Still going strong. Oh, I can't get up here. This is a nice one, like new gated community. Oh, hang on. I pulled the lead out there. Look at this, look. It's designed upon England. And in fact, we are in London, England, as it says there. And there's a pretend coffee shop and a pretend flower shop. It's just a facade, there's nothing there behind it, just a community of new expensive houses. There's a lovely coffee shop just around the corner that I'm heading to. I can get onto the left. New gated community. If you got money, want to live away from the riffraff. Personally, I don't think they're very riffraffy. That's typical. Look, a coffee shop shut. She said it's open every day. Like, really? Yeah, quite clear that it says closed, open on the 2nd. Never mind. I should go to Ikea. They'll sell me a lovely coffee there. God, yeah, these speed bumps are a nuisance, and there's not a lot of rigidity with these small wheels. I nearly lost it there. That would have given you something to comment about. Alright, 2 hands. Ugh. There's Ikea. And the shopping centre called Mega Bangna. It's lovely, really nice, very swish. There's a problem with development, no proper planning laws. Right, I should call it a day now. Here we are at Ikea, Mega Bangna, and the Marvel experience, whatever that is. If you're into that sort of thing, you'll know. So have a lovely day, whatever time zone you're looking at this in, and hope you tune in and watch some of my random Thailand videos over the next few months.